Shoot, so I just want to give a quick update on this Honda Civic that I'm redoing. I ain't even putting nothing on YouTube yet. I keep taking clips and pictures. Just show everybody when I'm all done. When I'm all done, I'm gonna post everything bit by bit. So, but pretty basic. Something like that. Now I did a lot to it already. But got a lot to do still. A lot to do.